In this video, I want to show you how to get diamonds inside of Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so diamonds are the premium currency in Kingshot, and you'll need them for unlocking skins, boosting progress, or buying special items. Now, there are a few different ways how to get them. So the first way is to simply just log in daily. So log in every day to collect free rewards. Some days give you free diamonds just for checking in. How cool. 2, completing missions and achievements. So play through daily and weekly missions, completing achievements like reaching a certain level or winning matches often rewards diamonds. Watching ads, so you can use the free button in the shop or rewards tab. Watch short ads to claim your diamonds without spending money. Also leveling up and progress rewards. So as you play and level up, you'll unlock milestone rewards. Some of these include diamonds. And keep an eye out for special events. So with these special events, each event challenges usually include some diamonds as prizes. Now, the last way what we can do is go ahead and purchase these diamonds by heading to the store here, and then if we scroll across on the tab here, go ahead and click on the diamond gem tab, and we can purchase this for real life currency. So you can see you can purchase 500 of these for $1 US, or we can purchase 50,000 for $100 US.